Question 17. This here is a regular data sufficiency question. For regular data sufficiency question, we have to ask ourselves these three questions. So what do I need to find out? We need to find out the median annual salary for employees at company X. Okay. So let me note it down. We need to find out the median of salaries, annual salary of employees. Question: what do I know? Actually, from the question statement, we don't know anything. We only know that there is some company X, okay, and it is having some employees, okay, and we have to find out the median annual salary for last year, okay. What else do I need to know? Simply, we need to know the median, or if we can get the data in ascending order, then we can find out the median easily. Yeah. So let us jump to statement 1. So statement 1 says that last year there were 29 employees at company X. So 29 employees were there. So from this data we can figure out that there are odd number of employees, and for odd number of terms the median is n plus 1 by 2th term. So here n becomes 29. So 29 plus 1 by 2, which is 15th term. The 15th term or 15th salary of the 15th employee, when arranged in the ascending order, will be the median value of the annual salary of employee. Statement 2. So what can we conclude? That this statement is not sufficient to answer our question. Why it is not sufficient? We know that the 15th annual salary will be that, but we don't know the data. What is the annual salary of the 15th employee and arranged in ascending order? That we don't. Okay. So whenever statement 1 is not sufficient, we cross AB. Going to statement 2, let us check. Statement 2 says that last year 12 employees at company X had an annual salary of $24,000. So 12 employees had an annual salary of $24,000. Okay. This also doesn't give us any data, or here the number of employees are also missing. So we cannot conclude anything on the median salary. Okay. So statement 2 is also not sufficient. So whenever statement 2 is not sufficient, B is gone, and we have to club both the sentences now. So when we club 1 and 2, what we get is that there are 29 employees. So, and 12 employees had annual salary of $24,000. But this doesn't give us any idea on the salaries of rest of the employees. This 12 employees can be earning the highest salary too, and they might be earning the lowest salary too. So the number of data still not given, or the data related to the 15th salary, the data corresponding to the 15th salary is not given. So by combining statement 1 and 2 also, we are not getting our answer. So our correct answer will be option number E. The two statements together are also not sufficient to answer our question. I hope it is clear.